Before cleaning your HyperX keyboard, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the keyboard from your computer to prevent electrical damage and ensure safe cleaning. Document your keyboard layout by taking a photo before removal. This reference will be invaluable during reassembly, especially for keyboards with non-standard layouts or custom key arrangements. Keycap pullers are essential tools for safe key removal. Wire pullers and plastic pullers each have advantages. Wire pullers work well for standard keys, while plastic pullers are gentler on delicate keycaps. Start removal systematically with function keys, then work through the main keyboard area. Exercise special caution with larger keys like the spacebar, which have stabilizer mechanisms that require gentle handling. Essential cleaning components include compressed air for debris removal, isopropyl alcohol at 70 to 99% concentration for sanitization, microfiber cloths for gentle cleaning, and cotton swabs for detailed work. Additional tools include soft bristled brushes for stubborn debris, microfiber cloths for streak-free cleaning, and a container for soaking keycaps in cleaning solution. These tools ensure thorough and safe cleaning of all keyboard components. After removing the keycaps, the first step in deep cleaning is using compressed air to remove loose debris from the keyboard switches and internal components. For cleaning the keycaps themselves, you have two main options: manual washing in a cleaning solution or using an ultrasonic cleaner for deeper, more thorough cleaning. For the keyboard base, use a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol to carefully clean around the switches. Never submerge the main keyboard unit in water, as this will damage the electronics. Complete drying is absolutely critical before reassembly. Any remaining moisture can cause permanent damage to the keyboard's electronic components. The future of keyboard cleaning is evolving rapidly with new technologies. UVC sanitization is becoming popular for killing bacteria and viruses without chemicals. HyperX is also exploring modular cleaning systems and self-cleaning surface treatments that will make keyboard maintenance even easier and more effective in the future. These advanced cleaning methods and future technologies will help extend keyboard lifespan significantly while reducing maintenance effort for users.